If you've got a door lock and you see one of these in the installation, you've often wondered what the hell this actually is. This is actually to prevent a door latch slipping. So say if I'm wanting to open a door, I've got the slip tool here, slip it between the door and the frame, as you can see it goes right down, yeah? This thing needs to be installed properly, so when this is depressed and the door shut, it stops this latch from going right down, therefore preventing you from slipping the door. So for example, here is my door frame, latch slip tool in, pulls it right down, therefore door's open. If you see these and you need to install these, it needs to go like this. So when the door's closed, the little cylinder is down. So when you come to latch slip it, it doesn't allow the full latch to depress. Like that. See? Make sure it's installed right.